Hi, my name is Lucas de Wit. I've been teaching people how to paint since 2006. One thing that all these years have taught me is that creating beautiful paintings is not a privilege reserved only for the gurus. It doesn't matter how old you are or whether you think you are not talented. If you really want to, you can create stunning paintings too, with the right help and guidance. And that is what I want to offer to you through my painting videos. Now, I want to tell you about my course on the Blanc Sketch painting method. I have developed this method as an alternative to the classical approach. Blanc Sketch is about sketching with white paint into translucent colors on a black canvas. My aim was to take the tried and trusted painting principles to their logical extremes, like darks first, then lights, fat over lean, and simplicity first, then detail. Now, this course is an intermediate to advanced course. This course consists of 59 step-by-step videos and over 15 hours of viewing time. So, what are you going to learn? First of all, you are going to learn the Blanc Sketch painting method and how to combine it with the classical painting method. You are going to learn how to approach an old master portrait from William Bougueron using this method. So, I use multiple camera angles so that you can see exactly what I'm doing, so that it feels like you are sitting in front of the canvas with me next to you. I explain and demonstrate everything I do, so you can understand exactly why I'm doing what I do and how I am doing it. I begin this course with a list of paint materials that you will need for this course. Next, I show you how to approach the sketch. Before I start painting, I first explain and demonstrate some theory and techniques that I'll be applying during this course. Then I start with the first paint layer, showing you how I paint the hair, forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, cheeks and chin, the neck and ear, and then finally the blouse. After that, I move on to the final painting, where I incorporate a classical approach to my painting process. Before I jump into the final painting, I first explain some color matching principles. Then I revisit the hair, forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, cheeks and chin, the neck and ear, and then the blouse. And then finally, I also throw in some creative flair by changing the background. Now, I trust that you will learn a lot from this course. So give it a go, because creating a thing of beauty is a joy forever.